This is the Iowa Weather Report for Saturday, January 12th, 2013. Now our first look at the 0Z GFS Model Run. At noon today we have a trough over the west and a ridge over the east. In the middle, some energy from the desert southwest northeastward into the western Great Lakes. And that'll be the boundary of the cold air and a little bit of snow across the Dakotas. Nothing around here. And some rain down to our south that may clip the southeastern counties Saturday night with a little bit of snow. But temperatures will be dropping most of the day Saturday to Sunday, where highs will be in the teens and lower 20s with mostly sunny skies, a few more clouds in the east as the storm departs to the east. Rain across the south and east, and that continues even into Monday to begin the work week, and we're under high pressure and it's clear, with a few clouds and cold, highs in the teens to around 20, maybe a few low 20s. Same thing Tuesday as that front to the south and east stays pretty much in the same place it is now over the south and east. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday here. Wednesday it finally kicks out as an Alberta clipper misses us into the north and east of the state across the Great Lakes. That just reinforces the cold air, unfortunately. But here comes another one right behind it, and you see that dives toward Minnesota and Wisconsin here Thursday. That could bring temperatures up to near 30 on Thursday as a warm front will move in. But when warm air comes, so does cold air, and the cold air comes back as high pressure moves in. A few flakes of snow to the north and west of the state. Temperatures back down into the teens and 20s again, higher where there's little or no snow. And even a week from today, we still have a long wave trough over, well, most of the country, a ridge building up across the eastern Pacific up into Alaska, and that's just going to take the cold air over Alaska and dump it toward us. And here comes another frontal system with some high pressures right to the north of it, just reinforcing the air coming from the polar regions of the Arctic Ocean. Couple days after this, on the 23rd, you thought that was bad. It gets worse. A polar vortex over eastern Canada and the Great Lakes. And the air is just streaming out of the north. And when it streams out of the north, what streams there? Cold air. And the high pressure will be, well, between about St. Louis and Jonesboro, Arkansas. Cold air, highs mainly in the teens, lows at or below zero. Snow to the west and east of the state. And even here on the 27th, it's a little bit better. The flow is a little bit more west to northwest, but it's still coming out of Canada, and it's colder there, and there's another high pressure nearby, about near Quincy, and snow breaking out from North Dakota into Canada. A big storm off the east coast, so getting very active toward the end of the month. Taking a look at last night's satellite image, we had a storm system moving out of the area up into the Great Lakes. This extended back through the middle Mississippi River Valley down into Texas, and snow was flying across Montana, Wyoming into the Dakotas. Watch warning map from last evening showing the winter storm issues, the blizzard warnings, winter storm warnings, and winter weather advisories to our north and west, some fog advisories to our northeast and along the east coast, some flood issues over the south, and some freeze warnings over the southwest. QPF chart precipitation over the next 5 days through Wednesday evening at 6 o'clock, showing most of the precipitation in the next 5 days to our south and east, with upwards of 2 to perhaps 4 inches of rain down in that part of the country.